everyone, it's Rima, and today I'm going to make a strawberry candy out of real strawberry, which is here. First, I'm going to put all these strawberries onto the kitchen towel because there shouldn't be any water in the strawberries when I'm making the candy. So let's move this into this plate which has the towel. So I put the strawberries and then now let's really start putting the water out of the strawberries. So just gently put the towel onto the strawberry to get the water out of this bit, because if you put the towel into the strawberry too strong, it might break. So now I'm going to put the water out of the strawberry, and then I'm going to put this strawberry's water out. And I'm done. So I'm going to move this strawberry onto this plate again and do it to all the 5 more berries again. Okay, so I'm done now putting all the water out of the strawberries, and now I'm going to use these sticks. They're pointy at the ends, so we should be careful. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to group 2 strawberries, and I'm going to put this stick into the middle, like that, in the middle, and prick it, and then put the strawberry into the stick like this. As I said, I'm going to put 2 strawberries each in one stick. That's the first one. So I'm going to make 3 strawberry candies. Yeah, so now I'm done putting all the strawberries into the stick, and it still looks tasty, but I'm not done making the candy. So this is water. It's 50 milliliters, and this is sugar, which is 100 gram, and lastly this is the starch syrup, and this is about 2.5 big spoon. So now I'm in the kitchen. You might say, what? This is the kitchen? Yeah, it is the kitchen. Look, it says Min's kitchen. So now since I am in the kitchen, I'm going to mix all the starch syrup, water, and sugar. So let's pour water. Yep. So I poured water. Then next I'm going to pour the starch syrup. It kind of looks like a liquid glue. So this is the starch syrup. The last ingredient, I'm going to put sugar. I think the sugar beneath is kind of melted because there might be water inside. And now I'm going to come back after I make the mixture. Now, all the mixture is getting close to what I want, and this actually takes a lot of time, and so it means that we need a lot of patience. But in the end, there is a very delicious treat waiting us. So the time goes pretty fast. Ready? So now I'm going to pour the mixture into the strawberry stick. this really kind of looks like a mixture before becoming a slime. Actually, this mixture became ready right after I said that I'm going to be right back after this mixture is ready because I think it will be ready soon. So I didn't really wait that much after saying that. Okay, so this is hot, so we need to always be careful. Okay, so we need to do this kind of quick before this gets together. But after I put all the mixture, I need to wait again to make the final candy. But I have a very bad feeling that I think this wouldn't be that pretty. But it's okay, even though if it isn't pretty, it will be still okay if the taste is good. So I'm done with the first one. Hey guys, it's me Min and I'm back, and now it's time to eat one of my strawberry candies. Is this a candy? It looks too ugly. This is the ugliest candy I ever saw in my life, but I think the taste will be very good, so I'm going to eat one of the candy right now. This is very tasty, but it's really sweet too. I think it will be very good to make this again, maybe next time, because this is a really tasty, not like the ugly look. This is very sweet and it makes good sounds in the outside, and in the inside we can taste the sweet strawberry. So this is the perfect strawberry candy for people who like candies and strawberries. Oh, and next time I think I should try making another candy out of other fruits, such as grape, orange, and things like that. So today I made a candy out of strawberries. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please remember to subscribe and like my channel.